Okay, we're going to do it in slow motion. We start with the left hand, starts the movement, right hand follows. At this point they're together. You reach down with your left hand and get the loose piece, bring it up to the top. You're ready to put the loop on. I like to use a clip, which is not provided. You provide your own clip. Then we'll do a side view. I got the dull side up. I like the darker side down. Okay, get a head start with your left, follow it with the right. Reach down for that bottom piece. Okay, next I'm going to show slightly speeded up version. Very good. Here's the side view. Well, I hope you learned how to take care of your sunshade. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Once again, the darker side, I call it the shiny side down, the dull side up. Start with the left. Bring the right around, reach down and get the other piece, the bottom piece. You're ready to tie it up.